Hi everyone, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Satan's Whiskers. This was originally published in Harry Craddock's 1930s Savoy cocktail book, and he had two variations in there, the straight and curled. Today I'll be doing the straight version. The straight just simply calls for Grand Marnier, and the curled version is just a cheaper alternative where you use another orange curacao or a triple sec. I know only yesterday I did say I was going to be doing simpler drinks, but I came across this one and I really wanted to drink it myself, so therefore, sorry, you're going to have to grin and bear and watch me make a 6-ingredient cocktail. This one calls for equal parts, so it is an easy drink to make, easy one to remember. It's 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 ml of each ingredient. First up, we have the gin. And for those who haven't noticed, I'm going back to doing daily videos for the time being. Whilst I'm locked away pretty much, may as well take advantage of my time that I have available. We've got a Sweet Vermouth. I'm using Antica formula, which has sweet vanilla notes to it, and Dry Vermouth. So we're currently sitting at about 280,000 subscribers. Massive. It's mind-blowing every time I think about it. I want to kind of set a goal for myself to hit 350,000 in like, I don't know, go something extreme and go like a month. So what I'm requesting from you guys to do is to pick one of your favorite cocktails and share it on your Facebook page, or send it to a friend and ask them to subscribe. And I'm just going to see if in the next 30 days I can create some explosive growth by doing daily videos and asking you guys a favor if you can share it. And this is only 15 ml, half an ounce. I know I did say they're all equal parts, but I lied. And then equal parts for this one, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of orange juice, freshly squeezed, preferred. 1 dash of orange bitters, thanks to Daniel Regan. So that was Regan's orange bitters there. And then give this one a shake, but don't overshake it. Really short shake, just to combine the ingredients. And then strain it into a chilled stemmed cocktail glass. To be honest, I probably could have shaken it for about another 3 seconds, but there we go. And strain it straight in. Looks a bit murky. Orange juice, sweet vermouth. It doesn't look that pretty. And for this one, I'm just garnishing with a pretty old looking lemon twist and just dropping it straight in. There you have the Satan's Whiskers. Straight. Cheers. A lot of orange flavors going on there. The Sweet Vermouth, I feel like there's a few conflicting flavors. It's not harmonious. It's okay, but to be honest, I probably wouldn't make another one of these. Just being honest, guys. It's growing on me. It's not great though. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. What are you going to say, Kat?
You didn't give me much description on what it's like.
I don't know, it's just...
It looks terrible. It looks like swamp water.
It's probably just my choice of vermouths. Not that I had a choice, it was just what I had in the fridge. I'm going to try my vermouths and see how they have been in the fridge for a little bit.
Obviously that one's okay.
Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Yeah, see, I think the Dolan's partially responsible for that. I think it's on its way. If you guys are still sticking around and watching this, give it a go. Let me know your thoughts. I'm keen to hear.